I came today to Seoul Forest to do the free yoga session.
I loved being outside and the practice, autumn, everything, it really enhanced it.
The teacher was very patient with us. She went around and showed us how to do the poses properly.
I really enjoyed that organizers were so kind, and also the teacher, she was really kind and her advices were really helpful.
I think it was appropriate for all ages, so whether you're a beginner, advanced, you can have a great relaxing experience, and I loved it.
Thank you so much. It was so good.
It was great. Excellent.
I wish everyone could experience this.
And we are looking forward to next one.